Is GoodWallet a scam? Are people really withdrawing from it? Can you really swap? Is the G token real? Everything is going to be answered in this tutorial, right? So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to convert your G token, how to withdraw, and how to also have it in your wallet like MetaMask or maybe Bybit or any way you want to have it, right? So on that note, I welcome you to this Solid Crypto Academy where we share updates every three days. So make sure you subscribe and follow us so that you can always stay updated on anything on chain, anything airdrop that is legit and paying, right? So on that note, let's go to the business of the day. All right. So for you to register, you can just use your normal Google wallet. I mean Google account to register. I don't want to call the name because of YouTube strike, right? So you just use your normal Google stuff to register. Then the next thing, after you register, you come to your screen like this. If you have done this project MiPass, you understand this one better because it's also like MiPass because all of them are serving you UPI poverty eradication projects. All right. So when you click on this place, when you click on this GoodDollar, when you click on it, you will see a dashboard like this. Of course, you're not going to see this dashboard yet, except if you have verified yourself. All you just need to do is before you can see this kind of dashboard, you have to verify yourself. You will see a place to verify yourself here. So you just go on, follow the screen instruction, and you will be able to verify your face, just your face, and you are done. Just scan your face, read the instruction on the camera, and that is it. After you verify your face, you will come to this place to claim. All right. So for you to know that this project does not need you to even deposit anything, they already have a little balance because everything you're going to be doing here actually need gas fee. So they have Celo. This Celo is already listed on Mex. It's already listed on Bybit. Okay, I didn't confirm from Binance, but I confirmed Bybit and Mex. All right. So I will show you everything. Just follow up. All right. So when you come to this place, you can see all these little ones here. They are all gas fee and this Celo because if you want to mine daily, you need those gas fees. So they don't want to stress you with I need to deposit before I do anything. So you are not depositing anything for you to just start. All right. So when you click on here, every day you come here and you claim. All right, you come here and you claim, and what you are claiming is called G token. This G token, they are GoodDollar token. That's what you are claiming. This is what you are claiming. All right, I've been claiming this token for a while now. How can I? Okay, let me even tell you my story. I joined this project and I want to confirm if I can actually withdraw out. So I send out this Celo because I'm sure that this Celo is actually listed on Bybit. So you can see when you come to this place, you will see that this minus here, I'm the one that withdraw this particular one. I withdraw it to confirm. You can see the date is today's date. I will draw it to confirm if they can actually allow someone to withdraw out. You understand? And it was fast. Later, I discovered that I actually need it to mine. That's why I send it back. So if you check the activities again, you will see that there's a place. You will see there's a place. Look at it. I sent it back. All right. So after you have accumulated this G token, you just come to this swap, and when you click on the swap, you can swap more than 10,000 tokens here. All right. You click on this particular one, you choose your G token. I cannot swap this because it's still low. So I want you to continue with me. Later, if you don't know how to do it and you want to sell it to me, you can just sell it to me directly. All right. So that's just that. You click on the destination token, you choose Celo because Celo is the one that's listed on all those exchanges. Then you click on mass. The next thing you click on swap. Make sure you always have gas fee on Celo, which they will be distributing to you too. So most of the time you don't even need to do anything. All you just need to do is to claim every day. All right. So there's one place. Okay, let me talk about the referral again. After you are verified, when you click on this place, you will see an option. You see an option to. When you click on this GoodDollar, you will see an option to invite reward. So you get 1 kg when someone join through you, and the person will also get 500 G for using your referral link. But the issue now is that the person must mine for 3 days. That means for 3 days. For the person to qualify as a valid referrer. You see that. Then after 7 days, they invite reward because I'm waiting for them to claim. You see that now. So it's something you need to tell anyone that you are referring because this is it's something that you just need to scan your face, not ID card. I think it should be easy for anyone to refer anyone, right? So that is about that. Then they partner with Polymarket. So this Polymarket, let's say you have gotten enough G token and you say, okay, I want to do stuff. I want to go more. You understand? You know what they're doing, Polymarket, predicting like all this World Cup now, you can predict it. Is Trump going to farm today? Is Trump going to, it's some funny questions, and you can actually make money by also predicting it. So if you don't have Polymarket, they partner with Polymarket, so you can just create the account here, and before you know it, you already have. I'm about to create one for myself now because I've not created it before on this wallet. So good. If I want to predict, I just click on predict. You see, and that is it. It says Spain Argentina exact score. Okay, you see this correct score. So you see that is that about that. But this one should be when you have enough balance, right? This one should be when you have enough balance. All right. So that is that about that for now. But this Celo, when you are sending it to your Mex exchange or anything, let me show you something. You're sending it to MetaMask, you cannot get it directly except if you have imported it to MetaMask. So what you just need to do is before you import it, make sure you go to Google, search for Celo. You can just search for Celo minutes so that they can give you all the information you need. Just go to MetaMask and you import it. When you import it, you now see the Celo. Even if you send it like this, you won't be able to see it. So let me show you where it is listed on the exchange. So as you can see it, this is Celo USDT on Next Exchange. It's listed and the current price is 0.07. All right, so you can sell it here directly, or you can just sell it to me. If you join our community on WhatsApp or Telegram, you see me, I'm very active. All right, so that's that about that. Then let's go to MetaMask. Let me show you something. So when you come to your MetaMask on this normal popular, when you come to this, when you choose network and you see that popular, you see the normal ETH BNB network. But when you click on this custom, that is when if you want to add a new what's it called now, a new network. All right. So when you look at this, oh, it's like I've done mistake here. Oh, I've clicked on another thing. Okay, let me go back. Okay, good. So when you come to this place, you will just click on this add a custom network. You can see I've already added it, this Celo minute. But if you want to do it, just go to Google, copy the network name, the RPC URL, and the chain ID. Where you copy it, you come and put it here. Then you now click on save. That's how to import it. It's very simple as that. All right. So let's check their socials. Let's check their S. Are they on S? Let's confirm that too.